Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we actually have another unbox with me video. Today we're actually going to be opening up something from SoCal Beauty in California. I have honestly fallen in love with this company. It started at I would say the beginning slash midst of the pandemic. Not the company, but just what's in here. So in here is the whole system that the company developed, which is a product called Designer Lashes. It's specifically made for lash artists, by lash artists, to be able to help our lash clientele out. So the idea behind the whole designer lashes is that, clients in the midst of the pandemic, the whole salon industry really suffered just because clients weren't able to come in studio. You couldn't do anything, behind doors. If you did, it is what it is. But you just couldn't perform services for people. So people who get lashes done know that they love lashes. And also clients who've developed adhesive allergies like me, it's honestly perfect for. So the idea behind Designer Lashes is that it is a magnetic designer lash that you can put on with magnetic eyeliner. It comes in a few different colors as well as in clear, and then there's an application tool included with the designer kits, which we'll get into that. But with that, you're able to basically customize lashes for your clients. If they want to wear it on top of their extensions, they can, or in the absence of extensions. Say, a client's going on vacation, they want to get a full set when they get back, you can get some designer lashes to kind of hold you over. They're actually pretty good too, because I've tried store-bought lashes that are magnetic and they just don't work for me. I can barely even get it on my eye. And then there's always a corner that's out in Australia, and I'm just all right, let's just start over. So with this, I've tried them out and there's no issue whatsoever. You your lash artist, or if you're a lash artist, you can customize them to your client's eye shape, and you can kind of really expand your business just because you're able to do virtual consultations. So even if they can't come in studio, you can still help your clients get the best lash look that they want to have. So without further ado, I'm gonna grab my scissors and we're gonna get to unboxing. All right guys, I have my scissors. So I want to say this is the pair that I cut myself with, so yeah, let's hope that doesn't happen. I'm just gonna slice her open. I know you should always cut away from you, but we're not really working with a lot of space here, so we're just gonna have to do what works. Right, we're gonna close those. Her open. All right, so first things first, we have a little thank you card here. You can tag them on social media, which of course I'm gonna link that all down below, as well as this is the little packing slip. Ooh, love the paper. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they have their logo printed on their paper. That's cute. Absolutely love it. All right, so first things first, we have some Boy Bye and some designer lash singles in here. Ooh, and there's also something else. So we're just gonna open it up. So I'm going to go through each one. These are the Boy Bye makeup removers. So if you guys have ever had an issue with eyeliner removal or fine tuning that line, this will save your life. So can't wait. Absolutely love it. And then this is a She Single. So I'm going to be adding these on my website this week, and this is how your designer lashes will start out, whether you're getting the She Single or if you're doing the artist kit. So there's no lashes on it, so it's really up to you and your lash artist. well, me if you're ordering from me, if like how you want them to look, and like you can also make measurements for your client's eye so that is actually like fully customizable to them and their eye shape. So yeah, it's honestly really, really cool, and it's already labeled out, so you can't go wrong. So I got a few of those. And then also, these are Roxy's Lash Line Bling. So if you have like a doll head or you need to purchase one, you can. You just kind of put it on like the doll's lash line, and then you can attach your designer lashes to it, so that way you can lash it like, you know, you're lashing a real person, if that makes sense. So it kind of helps you get the job done a little better. All right, and then next we have 2 artist kits. So this is for like someone if they're like completely starting fresh. Like the She's Single, I feel like is more for if someone already either has designer lashes or they just want to buy everything separately, they can. So let's open this up. So it comes in this really cool like holographic box. I honestly love their packaging. I think it's the cutest thing. So in here, just gonna place you back down. I had gotten, I want to say this one. Yeah, this one's just the black liquid liner. No, sorry, just the black liner. So this is how the inside of the kit looks like. So you have your black designer liner here. You have the lash application tool, and then you have like a She's Single like designer lash kit in here. So yeah, you can like fully sell this and then mail it out exactly like this, and then it has like some steps so that way it's easier for your client to apply it if you know you're shipping them across country. I will be offering a, you know, designer lash, like, I don't know, maybe I'll film a video on how I apply mine just so it's like a little bit easier for you guys, but absolutely love it. That is all I have for you guys product wise today. But let me know down below what kind of like content you guys want to see, because I'm gonna start doing like lash fill videos, and I think it'd be cool if I also did like designer lash videos too. Like if you guys want to see me make some, feel free, let me know, comment down below. But other than that, ooh, sorry, voice got a little dry. But other than that, they did give me an affiliate code down, so I'm gonna actually like link it down below. I want to say you click the code and then it'll give you like some type of like coupon code that you can save $10 off your first order, or I think it's just like any order. I don't know, don't quote me on that part, but I know you save $10. But yeah, if you guys have any questions in regards to designer lashes, please like comment down below or like reach out to the company too. It's owned by Brittany Hamilton Strong, and she is like the sweetest person. Highly recommend ordering from her. She's really, really nice. And overall, this is an amazing product, and I can't wait to show you guys all the sets that I come up with. I will be releasing them this week on my website, so if you want to start putting an order in or you know, book a consultation, you can. I'll be doing them, I want to say currently over FaceTime, and yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.